Welcome to India Unbox, celebrating India's handcrafted legacy. Dhokra jewelry exemplifies India's ancient metalworking tradition, blending deep cultural significance with artistic excellence. Each piece is meticulously handcrafted using a 4,000-year-old lost wax casting technique, passed down through generations of skilled artisans. Known for its primitive yet sophisticated tribal motifs, rustic finish, and golden bronze hue, Dhokra jewelry is more than adornment, it's variable heritage. At India Unbox, we bring you these timeless treasures that honor tradition and empower artisan communities across India. Dhokra jewelry, crafted using a 4,000-year-old lost wax casting technique, showcases India's rich heritage. Each piece is handcrafted by artisans, inheriting skills passed down through generations. Known for its tribal motifs and distinctive texture, Dhokra's rustic finish and golden bronze hue make it uniquely identifiable. The lost wax casting process begins with forming a clay core, shaping the jewelry's foundation. Artisans apply a wax oil layer, carving intricate designs. This wax model is coated with fine clay and dried. Finally, the mold is heated, melting the wax and creating a cavity for molten brass, completing the Dhokra piece. Dhokra jewelry showcases artistic excellence through intricate detailing, with each piece reflecting meticulous craftsmanship. The unique artistry ensures no two items are identical, making each a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Remarkably, the ancient techniques used today remain largely unchanged from those practiced by artisans thousands of years ago, preserving a rich heritage in metalwork. Dhokra jewelry designs are rich in cultural significance, often incorporating tribal symbols that represent prosperity, protection, and fertility. Mythological motifs inspired by Indian mythology and religious iconography are common. Nature-inspired elements like elephants, peacocks, turtles, and fish are prominent. Some pieces even narrate entire stories from Indian folklore through their intricate designs. Dhokra jewelry offers versatile styling options. It pairs seamlessly with modern casual wear, adding a unique cultural touch. It enhances traditional Indian outfits with authentic elegance. For those with a bohemian spirit, layering Dhokra pieces creates a striking statement, perfect for free-spirited fashion enthusiasts. Dhokra jewelry showcases remarkable versatility, featuring statement necklaces that serve as bold cultural accents. Delicate anklets offer subtle elegance, perfect for enhancing both casual and traditional attire. Each piece reflects the intricate artistry of Dhokra craftsmanship, making them unique additions to any wardrobe. Purchasing authentic Dhokra jewelry supports fair trade, ensuring artisans receive fair compensation. This industry sustains entire villages, preserving ancient techniques and providing primary livelihoods. Dhokra crafting uses locally sourced materials, minimizing environmental impact and promoting sustainable practices. Dhokra jewelry showcases regional variations. Odisha is known for fine line work and motifs like peacocks and elephants. Chhattisgarh features bold patterns with tribal dancers. West Bengal offers intricate geometric designs with fish and lotus flowers. Jharkhand presents a rustic finish with tribal symbols like sacred trees and hunting scenes. Authentic Dhokra art is identified by slight imperfections, indicating handcrafting. Quality pieces have substantial weight and a distinctive texture with fine wire work. A natural golden brown patina develops over time, unlike artificial coloring. Always seek authentication certificates from reputable sellers to verify origin and craftsmanship. Clean Dhokra art with a soft dry cloth, avoiding water and chemicals. Store in a dry place, wrapped in soft cloth, not plastic. Protect from sunlight and humidity to prevent tarnishing. Occasionally apply a small amount of natural oil to maintain its luster. Dhokra art exemplifies sustainability through eco-friendly production, utilizing minimal machinery and natural materials. The metal used is recyclable, allowing it to be melted and reused, contributing to a low carbon footprint. Traditional methods require little energy, and ethical labor practices support artisan communities, ensuring fair treatment and preservation of cultural heritage. Modern innovations in Dhokra art include contemporary designs that blend modern motifs with traditional techniques. Artists are experimenting with mixed media, incorporating gemstones, silver, and textiles. This evolution extends Dhokra beyond jewelry, creating functional art pieces for home decor, showcasing the versatility and adaptability of this ancient craft in today's world. Dhokra art, with over 4,000 years of heritage, holds significant investment value. Quality pieces from master artisans appreciate annually by 15 to 20%. Over 30 recognized artisan communities across India's traditional craft regions contribute to this ancient craft's enduring legacy and economic potential. Thank you. To explore India's rich artisan heritage, visit us at Modinagar, Uttar Pradesh. Call us at +91 8755300795 or email support@indianbox.com. Discover more online at indianbox.com. Engage with the vibrant communities preserving traditional crafts and appreciate the artistry that defines India's cultural legacy.